The number one most common mistake new investors make. All right, guys, before we get into it, what I want you to do, I want you to just smash and crush that like button. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I don't want you to miss out on future stuff that I'm bringing. All right, the number one biggest mistake I see new investors make, it's all in the math. It's the numbers. They get emotionally dragged into a property. They love it. They fall in love with it, and it's hard to separate them from the numbers. The property doesn't make sense, and it does not set them up for success. So what I want you guys to do, go to my website real quick, go to www.realestate365.net, and I'm going to give you a tool that we use in the office, we use for our own assets. In fact, we just used it in December, a spreadsheet just like this one. The one that you're going to download is dressed up a little bit prettier, and I put my logos on it. So it's not exactly the same, but it's the same numbers. It works the same way. We use this on a 120 unit project, over $14 million in Southern California. It's the exact same spreadsheet. It'll work for your single family. It'll work for your 20 unit. It'll work for 200 units. I want you to download it because it's our quick and dirty analysis sheet. This is going to tell me right off the gate when I'm sitting at my computer, if I come across a new deal, does this thing make sense? If it doesn't, I've only invested about 5-10 minutes tops and I'm on to the next deal. Okay, but this is the same tool. So I want you to download it. It's real simple to use, but don't get emotionally invested in the property itself. Get invested in the numbers. Okay, surround yourself with the knowledge of the numbers, do the research, figure out what the expenses are, shop those loans, and get those numbers where they need to be. That's it. Don't fall into it. Be successful. It's the number one reason why investors only buy one property and they quit doing it. They don't go any further because they get lost and then emotionally invested. And then they get emotionally invested in their tenants. And that's a whole nother ball game, another video. But guys, download that spreadsheet. It's helpful. If there's something on there you don't like or want to see, let me know. I can easily add it to it. If you see a mistake, let me know as well. I'm only human. But definitely download it. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback on it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Happy deal hunting, and we'll see you on the next one.